got this little package in the mail, man. Heck yeah.
What's in the box?
I know you're excited just like I am, but don't be yelling at me. I'm about to show you what's in the box, you feel me? I got Zach out. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ooh. What do we got? Oh, that looks like a hoodie right there. Oh, got my little invoice. Look at that. Ooh, I'm official. What else we got? Oh, we got a little old backpack. This mother's little. What else we got? Oh yeah, got a little old shirt. Ooh. Oh, and we got some shoes up in this joker. I'm about to show you what everything looks like. First thing we're gonna check out is the shoes. Bam, look at the box. Oh my goodness. Ew. Ew. I hope these fit. Ooh. Ooh. This is all leather too. Oh. Man. Hold up. Ooh. The smell is kind of strong, but yo, that's leather right there. I wasn't expecting it to be leather or whatever. Ooh, sugar, sugar, oh, sugar. Look at that. I hope they figure. Look inside the tongue, man. Look at that. Am I? Oh, it's this side. Look at that. Ooh. 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 That's dope. These are nice. That's crazy. I didn't thought. Oh, snap. I'm gonna rock these. What am I gonna rock them with? How about my shirt? Let's check out the shirt. Look at the package. Oh, that is official like a whistle. You see the tag. Oh, let me take it out the bag. That rhyme. I used to be a rapper, but I decided to quit because I had other things going on. Like, I don't know, but I did. Ooh, so here the shirt is with the tag. Ooh, let me see what. Look at that. Look at that on the sleeve. Come on, man. Come on, man. This shirt kind of thin, but ooh, look at that on the sleeve. Come on, man. Come on. That go hard. Look at that. Ooh. One of these days I'm gonna wear it. I just don't know when, but yeah. That's the shirt. That's dope. Now what we got? Backpack. And it's like any other backpack. It's small. It's like a night bag. If you participate in night activities and you gotta spend the night somewhere. You know? This is alright. Look at this. The quality on the back. Got the little fishnet breathable thing. Ooh, we got a pocket in here. You can't see it. But, you know, it is a. Oh, snap. This is like a real book bag. Interesting. What's in here? Nothing. It's just a regular pocket with no pockets inside. But that's dope. The print is inside the pocket, outside the pocket. Zip it up. You got a pocket in there. You see that zipper? It means there's a pocket in there. There's another pocket in there. This mug just two. I ain't got nothing to put that in. Oh, we got a pocket on the side. Another pocket on the side. Ooh. Got an earphone thingamajiggy. Ooh. I don't know what that sound is. Anyway, that's enough with the backpack. Oh, now we got the hoodie. All goody in a Legend hoodie. Of course, you see the tag. You know what I'm talking about? Move, boom, move, boom, move. See the tag? Yeah, yeah. Let's look what this is. Ooh, this is not cotton material. I'll tell you that right now. This is like spandex. Polyester spandex. Look at that. It's stretchy. Ooh. Ooh. It made it just how I like it. You see that? A legend never dies on the sleeve. You see it. I ain't got to just do it all crazy. You know what I'm talking about? It's right there. It's right there. You see it. I ain't finna do all with it. Ooh. With the white hood to make you fit. Wait. With the white hood, it make it. Scratch that one. You know. But yeah, with the cream hood. Yeah. That's what else. That's what's up. What else I got around here? So, a week ago, I got some more stuff that I didn't even talk about because I'm waiting for this stuff to come in, but fanny pack. It's a fanny pack. A regular old fanny pack. Look at that. A regular old fanny pack. Got Legend on the front. B on the top. You open it up. It's a regular old fanny pack. I ain't had a fanny pack. Oh, look at the tag. Oh, that is so good. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. We got the Legend Never Dies on that mug. Ooh. What else I got? I got some socks. I'll show you what the socks look like, man. I can't believe I'm having trouble. Anyway, so the socks is like a spandex material as well, like almost like church socks. I also, this white is not gonna be this size. I went back and changed it to make it smaller because I didn't like how it looked. That's the reason why we order samples, so we know what we're dealing with, what we're selling to y'all. You feel me? But I like them as far as the feel and things of that nature. They stretchy. I need that because you know I got some feet. I got some feet on me, and of course they're unisex socks with the logo on it. Unisex socks. So that means whatever your gender is, you can wear these, even though they are men's socks on the website. Boom. What else we got? Last but not least, we have a drawstring bag. Look at this. Look at that. That mug big, man. You got a little pocket on the side over here. Look at that. What you got inside? Oh, you got another pocket in there? This could be an overnight bag too. How deep is it? It ain't that deep. What else we got? That's it. We got a pocket on the inside with the drawstring bag. These strings look durable as hell. Like, super durable. That's dope. Ooh. And I think that is it. That's all. You feel me? I just want to show y'all that. Because I know some of y'all was like, oh, LD selling something. I bet you the quality is bad. Nope, quality good. That just proved it. Quality good. So go ahead and get some of my stuff and model it for me. Sounded kind of bad. Or good. Whatever. If you order something, model it for your boy. I'm definitely gonna model these when I get time. Well, I'm out of here.